I need to tell you some things that are very important out here. This is not about academics. This is about general living. For general living, there is one thing that this corona pandemic has taught us. Before that also, that was very much prevalent, but we never paid heed to it, that we should aim to leave a legacy. How do people leave a legacy? We talk about so many great people like Winston Churchill, maybe previous to that, we talk about Shakespeare, we talk about people of different walks of life like Newton, Einstein, etc. They have left a legacy by doing something which other people could not do. They thought out of the box and created something for the future generations to gain from. We should need a platform. This is a need of the hour that people should do something for the future generations and leave a name for that even before they come to the last stage of their life. Once they are gone, they should be remembered by the acts that they have done, the things they have left behind through tangible efforts, and that inspires the future generation to do something more about it, to take it forward, to take the message forward. For a human being, there are three basic needs in life. Number one need is that of defense. He should defend himself from enemies, from diseases. That's why he wears clothes. That's why he takes medicines. That's why he lives in a shelter. He lives within a sort of community so that his defenses are intact, so that his extinction does not happen. That is need number one. Need number two is food. He needs to sustain himself, to grow, to propagate, to be able to live and not perish. For that, he requires food. Food in the form of water, air, that is oxygen, and all solid foods and liquid foods that he takes. The third most important thing is a mate. He requires somebody with whom he can propagate the race. Human beings are one single race. So the race has to be propagated. So these are the three basic needs for human beings. If we need something more than that, a car, a big house, or something expensive jewelry, or some gadgetry, or something which is not coming within this necessary brackets, is taking from the earth, is taking from the resources. He has to pay back, he has to give back. So the legacy is that people learn, then they propagate, they teach, they train and repeat. They learn again and grow again and teach again. The whole sense of establishing this platform of Vidya Amrit is to create people to think out of the box. We don't require people to ask why. Of course, there will be a lot of whys. Why this happens, how this happens, and why this is happening, and why this is going to happen. These kind of questions will come along. But also, why not? We require people to ask us why not? Why not this can happen? Why not this would be a better process? So people have to think out of the hat to bring out questions that require answer of why not. Think on those lines. We are teaching some different dimensions. The world today is divided into only two epochs. Forget about everything in history. Forget about prehistoric man, Ice Age, Stone Age, the Mughals, the British. Forget about everything. There are only two epochs. Before COVID, after COVID. Thoughts that were there before COVID is no longer there after COVID. The world has changed forever. So you have to think in a manner in which to exist and leave a legacy for the future generations where people will be proud of your name. Think about it. There are a lot of thoughts to be brought forward and we are there to help you. Vidya Amrit is there to create